Hello, thank you for joining us here at 404 Computer and Cell Phone Repair. Today what we're going to do is a iPhone 7 Plus battery replacement. And what you'll need, of course, is your 7 Plus battery. You'll need a prying tool. You'll need your 2 screwdrivers, one Phillips screwdriver, and then your pentalobe screwdriver for the bottom 2 screws to get into the phone. So accessing the phone from the bottom, you can use your pentalobe screws and possibly needle nose tweezers. Then what you'll do is start at your bottom left corner with your prying tool and just lift up gently. There may be some glue. This screen has been removed before, as well as the battery shields. What you want to do is lift it up slightly and open it to your right hand side. You'll see the battery, which is located right here. The shields have been removed for convenience. You'll go ahead and remove your shield, your battery connector, and it would be nice to actually remove your entire screen. So I'll pop these two connectors, and set that to the side. There would be a camera attached to that the screen, and you would have to remove that up top. So I removed that again for convenience. Take a plastic prying tool to remove your battery, because if you use metal, it may arc on you and then it'll catch fire. You will need a heat gun to heat up the bottom case on the left hand side. Again, I've already heated up and removed the adhesive there. You would start right there. Once it's been heated up, to remove your battery, set that one to the side. See, it's damaged. Place your new battery in, but don't connect it. Leave power off of the board until you've put your LCD for your 7 Plus back in. Once your LCD and digitizer connector has been placed back on the board, you'll also replace your camera, your front camera connector right here, and then put your shields on and put your battery back in place. Reconnect the battery, close it back up, and power it back on. Seal it up. Put your bottom 2 pentalobe screws back in. And that will complete your iPhone 7 Plus battery replacement. Thank you for joining us here at 404 Computer Repair. If you have any questions, just give us a call at 404-259-0183. Again, that's 404-259-0183. And have a great day.